Hi first grade! So today we're doing packet 2 day 11 and the title of our story is Cody's Rock. So I want you to just sit back and listen to me read the story. In the driveway, Cody found a black rock. It had yellow and red marks on it. Cody touched the rock. A head poked out of one end. 2 orange eyes peeked at Cody. Cody ran to the house. "Mommy, Daddy, a rock looked at me!" Mommy and Daddy came outside. "That's not a rock," said Daddy. "It's a turtle." "A turtle can't stay here. A car might hit it," said Mommy. Mommy and Cody picked up the turtle. They carried it into the backyard. There were trees there. "Now the turtle is safe," Cody said. So here are our comprehension questions. It says, where did Cody find the rock? Now remember, if we don't remember where he found the rock, we can go back and look in our story. So it says, in the driveway, Cody found a black rock. Okay, so where did he find the rock? In the driveway. Cody found the rock in the driveway. Make sure that we have a complete sentence, starting with a capital letter and a period at the end. What color were the rock's eyes? I know that they mentioned the colors black, red, yellow, and orange, so I'm going to have to go back to the story and look. Cody touched the rock. A head poked out of one end. 2 orange eyes peeked at Cody. So, what color were the eyes? Orange. So we're going to circle choice D. The rock was not really a rock. What was it? Oh, I remember this one. What was the rock? The rock was an animal. What animal has a hard shell? The rock turned out to really be a turtle. Make sure you again have that capital letter and the period at the end. Why did Mommy want to move it? Well, where was it found again? It was found in the driveway. Do we think that's a safe place for an animal? No, probably not. So we can safely assume or deduce that they wanted to move it because it was not safe for the turtle. Mommy wanted to move it because it wasn't safe for the turtle to be in the driveway. Now I'm going to, don't worry, I'll move it back. I just want to make the box shorter so you can see it. There we go. And again, make sure that you have that capital letter and the period at the end, okay? On the back, draw a picture that shows what Cody found. Now, I'm not going to draw a picture here because I'm excited to see your pictures, but you can always use our picture up here to help you visualize or picture what the turtle might have looked like. So this is our vocabulary. We're drawing lines to match the words from the story to their meaning. So the first one is a turtle. Is that away from harm, a yard behind a house, lifted something, an animal with a shell on its back, stuck out, or a place to park a car. A turtle is an animal, so I'm going to draw a line to choice D. Number 2, driveway. Away from harm, a yard behind a house, lifted something, stuck out, or a place to park a car. Well, I always say that I park my car in the driveway, so I'm going to say that it's the very last one. Draw a line to F. Number 3 is carried. Is that away from harm, a yard behind a house, lifted something, or stuck out? Carried usually means that we picked it up and we moved it. So I'm going to say lifted something. That's choice C. Backyard. Is that away from harm, a yard behind a house, or stuck out? Well, I think it's going to be the yard behind the house because this word is back. So behind is another word for back. So for the choice that you need is choice B. Safe. Is that away from harm or stuck out? Well, if we're safe, nothing can harm us, right? So I'm going to draw a line all the way up to choice A. There we go. And last one, poked. Sometimes that means when you like touch somebody in the arm, but in this case it means that it stuck out. Like you poked your head around the corner, you stuck out your head around the corner. Good. So your line should look like mine, and now we're going to move on to our writing section. It says, have you ever found an animal when you were playing outside? Describe the animal, what did you do, and write your answer on the lines below. So I lived on a cornfield, and all the times that I found animals outside, they were usually mice. So I'm going to say that when I was playing outside, I found a mouse and put it in the field. So your sentence is going to start off like mine. It's going to start off by saying, when I was playing outside, I found, and then those dots you're going to put in those dots what you found. And then you're going to write, and I, and then you're going to say what you did. Okay? So you fill in this part with the animal that you found, and this one with what you did once you found it. And the last section for today is place value, which you guys should know because you're super smarty pants and I taught it to you once. So remember, these are longs and these are our groups of 10. Good. So if we have 3 longs, that's going to be 3 10s. And how many little ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's our number? 34. Because it would be 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. 34. Okay, let's do the next one. How many groups of 10 do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to put a 5 here. How many little ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 here. Now let's count the numbers together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So our number is 56. Excellent. Only a couple more. Ready? How many groups of 10 do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 groups of 10. And do we have any little ones? No. So we're going to put a 0 there, because that means that we don't have any. Let's count by 10s to see how many we have. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So our number is 70. Okay, 2 left. Ready? How many groups of 10 do we have? How many longs do we have? 1. And how many little ones? 1, 2. 2. Good. So now let's count 10, 11, 12. Excellent. Oops. 12. Okay, and the last one. How many groups of 10 do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 10. And how many little ones do we have? 0. Good. Now let's count by 10s to see how many we have. 10, 20, 30, 40. 40. And that's all of our assignments for today. So if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know at any time. I miss you so much and hopefully I get to see you soon. Bye!